Today I'm going to give you 5 easy tips to cut out plastic and other damaging materials from the home. So my first top tip is to reduce the impact of the drinks that we have on a daily basis. Over 1 million plastic bottles are produced per minute worldwide, and these are transported around the world and creating a large impact in terms of their carbon footprint and the waste that they produce. This is an easy fix through using a refillable water bottle or a refillable coffee cup. Another item I recommend purchasing if you're the type of person that likes a straw with your drink is a metal or glass straw. This will reduce the number of plastic straws that can end up in the ocean and harm wildlife. So my second top tip is to reduce the impact of washing your hair. At the moment, we go through a lot of plastic bottles with shampoo and conditioner, and believe it or not, these bottles can be up to 90% water. Instead, we can move to solid shampoo and conditioner bars, thus reducing the impact not only in the amount of plastic that's produced, because these are zero plastic and solid, but also we can reduce the carbon footprint of this activity because we're not transporting heavy water around the country anymore in trucks. My third top tip is to reduce the amount of plastic and other materials that we buy in order to feed ourselves. Instead of buying lots of ready meals, we can cook in bulk and store in mason jars or Tupperware boxes in the freezer. These are then readily available and can be popped in the microwave for a healthier and plastic-free version of your favourite meals. Plastic bags can be very environmentally damaging, clogging up our oceans and choking wildlife. However, paper bags can be just as damaging, using more energy to produce and recycle. The real answer is to say no to single-use bags in all their forms and opt instead for a bag that you already have at home and not buying one specifically for the task. My final tip is to reduce the impact of the way that we clean our home. Currently, commercial cleaners are full of toxic and harmful substances, use a lot of plastic, and again have high carbon footprints because you're transporting that heavy water around the country again. This is a really easy fix, and you can make a very simple multi-surface cleaner using a refillable bottle that lasts as long as you want it to last, and a solution of 50% water and 50% white vinegar. That's not the vinegar that you put on your chips. I hope these tips have been useful in providing different ideas for you to become more environmentally friendly in the home and cut out your plastic use.